Hi guys, this is me Bhavna Pant. First of all, happy Diwali to you and your family. May this Diwali brings you lots of happiness and shine like these diyas. Okay, let's go to my temple and I'll show you my Diwali preparation. So we just put on some lights in these rooms. Okay guys, we just enter to my temple. This is my temple and we just put on some lights and this garland which is made by me, and here is some prasad of Diwali. Especially in Diwali, generally khil batasha is prasad and sweet as well as. So it's time to go. It's time to see my rangoli. Let's go. Seriously, it takes some time, lots of time. It take my almost 1 hour. So this is my Diwali rangoli. We just celebrated this Diwali with no crackers. So I also suggest you to don't use any crackers. Okay guys, now I'll show you my whole look of my home. It's my home guys. You can see we don't use so much lights. So guys, this is my celebrated and eco-friendly Diwali, and I also suggest you to make and just celebrate the Diwali with no crackers and pollution free Diwali. Happy Diwali once again.